Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking basics that actually matter. Open settings right arrow system right arrow about to note your Windows build. Once done, try the quickest calls. Press Win+R, type Control, and hit Enter to force Control Panel. If search fails, make sure Windows Search Service is running. Press Win+R, type Services. MSC and verify it is started. Restarting Explorer or signing out can immediately restore the UI, so do that next if the panel still won't appear. Now you run targeted repairs to fix deeper issues. Open an elevated command, prompt, and run sfc/scano to repair protected files, then use dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix the component store. Once those complete, create a new local user to see if the problem is profile specific. Simultaneously, check Event Viewer under Windows Logs, right arrow Application and System for error entries tied to Explorer or Control Panel. These logs tell you why the process is failing and guide the next steps. For final resolution, reset settings and re-register Control Panel-related components. Use PowerShell as admin and run getapp x package all users 4h adapps package disable development mode register $. Install location \app x manifest XML. If corruption persists, perform an in-place upgrade repair using the media creation tool to keep files and apps. Make sure to back up first. If none of this works, restore to a recent system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.